Dave fitted the starboard bottom skin of the Doncaster fuselage with a little help from Phil.
Right, Never. See if we fit this one the right way round.
Be able to fly backwards this Lancaster got.
Oh, Phil, getting on the action.
Well, no, it's not.
Yes, no. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Now I do need some assistance.
I've been in the business long enough to know what's the two-man job.
Yeah.
Just to get you off and start.
Yeah.
So you won't take this on a rotary.
Oh, to what?
As this rear fuselage on a rotary jig, so you can
I think.
do it, say, going on your floor like
Yeah.
a motor mechanic.
I think that's what they did originally, you know, when they made them. Yeah, spun them right. Yeah.
Putting them down the middle and down the other edge as well.
Yeah, I'll get so many in so far. And
We're just slightly too big on it, so I'm remaking it. It's all good practice. So. Yeah.
So what actually doing now? We've got rid of the noise. I'm talking to Jacob again.
Hello. Yeah, I'm making a panel up.
Hang on, Jim. Right, this is your next project, or your next.
Yeah.
You're working on the Lancaster French wing at the moment.
Yeah, I'm making a panel up to sit in here. This is my first one. We're not going to have the luck, are we?
No. First one you made, it wasn't quite
this is
right.
the first one, yeah. The countersink was slightly oversized. I'm going to make a second one. Practicing my filing.
Go for it, we're on.
Yeah, so I have to drill the holes in this next and just fettle this slightly. It almost fits, but not quite. Just take a little bit off around the edges, just so it will fit nicely.
Yeah.
And then drill the holes and countersink them.
Good. Let's have a better look this time.
Hopefully.
Well, you will do. Keith has fitted the top skin just above the middle fuel tank bay. Guesses this is for alignment when fitting the fourth tank red.
What, sorry?
You've got all these drilled out now, ready for painting?
Yeah, it was all in assembled up until about an hour and a half ago.
Oh, was it? Thank you. I see you've put that skin on to give it a bit structure.
Yeah, it's just a little line everything up, and I had to drill all the holes up here.
Oh yeah, from the web.
Yeah, so I had the other the middle pieces of the frame
Right.
all pinned up and onto here, so I could line it up because that was pre-drilled.
Yeah.
So I could line it up through the skin, and that will pull the bottom bits into where they should be.
Dennis is progressing through the part from the trailing edge. So is this part of it?
That was on here. That was the plate on there. And then bits there.
Oh, that's that bearing for
Yeah.
the
Where
big tube.
that tube goes through, yeah.
Come have a look at the bearing.
Top knot.
It is Tufnell, is it?
Yeah.
Do they lubricate them at all, Tufnell, or do they?
No,
No.
I wouldn't have thought so. There's no sign on there.
No.
Don't think you need to on Tufnell.
That is on this tube here, which is for the flap.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's that one.
This is the part the Lancaster Dennis is working on. You can see the flap control tube. This moves horizontally. Where the vertical arms are connected to the tube, you can see the housing for the Tufnell bearing.
It's items like this that we need to inspect. We check these, they're no good, they're corroded.
Not bad. Oh,
Yeah.
you're going to have a job to replace those, aren't you?
Well, we've got a lot to replace. Yeah.
Won't they be all right for this static one, the French wing?
Well, I don't know what we're going to do with them. Obviously, we won't get thrown, but they might do for the static, I don't know.
Yeah.
But they're not good enough for a fly.
Back to Dave and his fuselage. This is how it looked in August 2021, 12 months ago.
That'll do for now, I think.
Yeah.
We'll have my lunch and then we'll come back. We're getting there.
July 2021, just arrived from Doncaster, KB976 rear fuselage, as it was. This is Jacob just finishing off his first
Access panel.
access panel for the French wing NX611. Jacob is in his first month as an apprentice.
The heads are slightly domed, but
Yeah.
they screw down nicely. Yeah, I've just been riveting the anchor nuts in behind this morning. So these are all riveted on.
You've riveted them on now,
Yeah.
have you? Yeah.
So yeah, they'll all hopefully sit in nicely. And yeah, been doing lots of other stuff. Been making cleats with Norm. Got abundance of these for Dave. So gonna try and fill the box up with those. Cut all the blanks down and then start shaping them into starboard and port shapes.
Then how many holes did you drill in?
3 in each, so I've marked the holes up on these ones. So see where the little red dot is, centre punched them.
Yeah.
So yeah, that are just it's all done off of a template.
This is for the KB976 fuselage.
And the wing as well,
This one.
and the French wing as well.
And the
they
French
can be
wing.
used on both.
Oh, right.
Or so I'm told. So I'm just making as many as possible, but they'll be used on the next fuselage sections as well, because there's cleats needed the whole way up. So.
Yeah. Because they're changing all the skins and all the stringers, aren't they, on there?
Although these can only be used on the taxiing stuff.
Oh, can they? Why is that?
Because they're just made out of scrap metal at the moment. They're not made out of batch numbered metal. So they can
they're
only
no
be
good
used.
for the CAA, would it?
No. So, but it's all good practice for when I have to start making the airworthy ones.
Yeah. Good. Right. Thanks, Jacob.
No problem. Cheers, Neville.